Good morning, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Bit of pasture today. I'm going to try 7 kHz again. Been having some success with that lately, and I'll see you on the first hole. Right, I've walked about 2 paces, dodgy signal, sort of one way, but alright, one way, so I dug it and it's a coin. What is that? I think it's a penny, looks a bit battered, as per usual. There's Britannia there. Who's that? George V, like a lot of stuff up here. So, alright, or was that George VI? Might be George VI actually. Right, let's carry on. Alright, been going quite a while now and finding absolutely stuff full, but this has just came up. Little token. Can't see anything apart from in the middle where it says 3J. On the back it's the same. Don't know what that is. What's it sound like now? Quite sounds alright now. It didn't sound like that in the hole. What does that give me? 93. Alright, it's not exactly brilliant, is it? But it's something. I like a bit of research. Right, let's carry on. Okay, I think this can be counted as a super slow day. But I've just been digging in this hole like you do. And I think this is a halfpenny. Who's it going to be? Will we ever know? Hang on, let's give that a rub. That's George V, battered halfpenny, and that's about as good as it's getting today. I've got a bit longer, so you never know, the very next swing could be something decent, but it's not going well. But it's nice to be out, it's a beautiful day. Right, let's crack on. Right, this is the most definite signal I've had all day, all morning. 92, XY screen's a bit wonky actually, a bit squiggly. Sounds okay though. Let's find out what it is. Right, whatever it is in this clump. This beautiful little clump. I can see an edge there, so it's not silver, it is orange. It is a flipping washer. This was a decent signal actually. It was giving me 94. It's a little token, I think. What's it say on there? Looks like a 1D. I think. It's very light, so it might be aluminium actually. Is it a co-op? I can see OOP there. Right, hang on a minute. Let me just give this a little brush. Right, I've given it a bit of a clean. I think it says, it might say Filey and then 1p or 1D. Old money. I can't get anything else off there. I'll give it a clean up. I'll show you a picture. Do a bit of research. And that will be, or that might be my last signal because I'm getting fed up with finding stuff. Or right, I didn't go home. I've adjusted my attitude and stopped being so negative. This was giving me a 99. What's that? It's about a halfpenny size, but I don't know if it is. Oh yeah, it's a ship halfpenny. There you go. And if you don't know, that's the Golden Hind on there. The Golden Hind is the ship, and the Golden Hind is one of the ships of Sir Francis Drake when he went exploring, looking for Spanish treasure. Basically a pirate, but he's a hero to us. Right, let's carry on. Alright, I really am done now. Well, for this part of the video anyway, and I found very little. That's just the way it goes. So hopefully in the next half of the video I'll actually find something decent. Yeah, so I'll see you in a minute. Well, it won't be a minute, it'll be quite a while, but it'll be a minute to you. Oh, shut up. Right, see you later. Hi folks, back out. I've had a few bits of lead and some bits of rubbish like you usually do, but I'm pretty happy because I think I found a bit of silver. It's really tiny. It was giving me like a 87, 92, around that sort of VDI. Good, decent signal though. So I'll just turn you around and show you what it is. Right, hello, I'm back. I was just thinking to myself, am I ever going to find anything in this field again, or have I just done it? And then, this, the beauty of this hobby, just surprises you all the time. So that is teeny tiny bit of silver. I can see a 3 on there. Yeah, that's a 3 bit. Hang on, get the old brush out. And let's give it a clean up. It's so hot today, it's beautiful. Like that water's just evaporated off it straight away. Yeah, that's a 3 and a crown. And what monarch is it going to be? I'd really like a Vicky, to be honest. But I'm not bothered. Maybe the 7th will be good. Oh, brilliant! It's a get that a bit closer so you can see it. I don't know if it'll stay in focus. It's a widow head. There's quite a bit of detail on there, so that's quite nice actually. There you go. See if I can get a date off it, or if it's going to be a bit. 1897 that looks like, 1895. I don't know, you might be able to see better than me. Okay, yeah, pretty good first decent find. I've had some bits of lead, some other rubbish, but nothing to write home about. But that's all right. Let's carry on. Right, I've just put all my camera gear away, put it back in my rucksack, took some pictures up like before and all that because of the threepenny bit. I've walked about 3 paces and I think I've got another silver. I can't believe it. The other day I was in here and I was like 2 hours, just nothing. I've gone about 5 yards and I've got 2 silver coins. Right, let me turn you around to show you what it is. It looks a bit bigger this time. Happy days. Okay, hello. Oh, the old knees. Right, what's that? Focus. I think it's a 6pence. Yeah, there you go. 6pence. Looks like 1921. Like the one up here I had the other day, although this one's in a lot better condition. Right, let's put it on this conveniently placed leaf and give it a spray. I can get you in the light, hang on. That is not in the light, Dean. That's in the light. No, that's not. Where's the flipping sun? Jesus. Right. I think that's George. Well, it will be George V, won't it, you idiot? Yeah, that's alright. That's alright condition. That's just missed out on being full silver by a year. 2 silver coins in a few paces. I'll take that all day long. Yes. Just so I don't get too cocky, this is a farthing, sort of standard for me, 1940 something, so George VI. battered as usual. That might be my last signal of the day, so I've got to head back. It was only ever going to be a short hunt, but it's quite an enjoyable one. Happy at that. Right, see you in a minute. There's always one more signal in there. I'm terrible for that. Right, that is a battered halfpenny, I think. Yeah, I won't get much of that, but that is the last one. I've got to go. Right, so I'll speak to you in a minute. Okay, that's the end of that one. I think that's quite a short hunt, or like a short video, but a couple of nice things at the end there. If you've got any questions or you just want to comment, I'll always reply. I haven't got that many subscribers and I'm happy to hear from people, and I'll always write back. Any questions about my equipment, my settings, or anything like that, just let me know. But if you're out, good luck. I'll catch you later.